Hi, it's Tasha from WTI, and I really like using this Oster toaster. This is the perfect toaster to make a perfect piece of toast. Comes out crunchy, lightly golden brown, does wonderful with bagels. I also like that the finish is nice and smooth and it doesn't leave fingerprints. It burns on all four sides, so I don't have to do any flipping in the toaster. It has lots of different options for toast, a bagel, even for frozen food. The dial turns so I can choose how brown I want my toast, and it even has a warm setting. Every time it makes a perfect piece of toast, and it's just very easy and convenient to use. I love the style and I enjoy using it. It's also perfect for those who like a lighter toast, like my husband who likes his bread still soft and chewy, and it keeps it just a light little crunch and soft and chewy and perfect. I really like it, and that's my point of view.